In a major escalation, Israel struck Iran's South Pars, the world's largest natural gas field. In response, Iran targeted Qatar's Ras Laffan industrial city, one of the world's most critical LNG hubs. With Qatar supplying nearly 20% of global LNG, even partial disruption here has global consequences. No casualties have been reported so far, but the concern is the scale of infrastructure damage and what it could mean for global gas supply chains. And here's why it matters for India. India produces about half of the gas it consumes, and nearly 40% of its LNG imports come from Qatar. So any disruption in this region is bound to have an impact. That said, India is not entirely exposed. Over the years, it has diversified LNG sourcing, with supplies coming from countries like the UAE, Oman, the US, Angola, and Nigeria. This gives some cushion, even if it doesn't fully offset short-term shocks. The Indian government is accelerating alternative supply plans, with increased supply from US, Australia, and select African countries. So while global markets are already reacting to energy infrastructure coming under fire with oil prices moving upwards, India's government is diversifying supply sources, redirecting supply to priority sectors to prevent disruption in food security and transportation. This is how a geopolitical conflict thousands of kilometers away is gradually working its way into everyday economics.